is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got yet another one from a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Nissin no Tantan Man. But I say, yes, Tantan Man. And 'twas a cup. But see, I have this one. That's what I'll be using today. 310 mils of water into the receptacle. Here we go. And 3 minutes. I'm gonna give it a little push. It seems like the right thing to do today. So yeah. So how are you? Are you getting ready for Halloween? I'm not. It's July for me. July 13th, 2022. Yeah, I'm ahead of the game. Way ahead of the game. Like a ways ahead of the game. It's Wednesday. This week I've done 9 reviews already, and I'll do 3 more tomorrow. I'll do 3 more the next day. So we'll do a perfect 15 set this week, and then I'm off for a couple days. Then I'll be back. Going to my ancestral home, and there will be a lot of new intros and outros from up there, of time lapses of Anacortes, Washington, up in the San Juan Islands. It's a nice place, nice area. We'll see how it goes. I think it'll go well. I really hope it'll go well. I think it'll go well. But yeah, once I'm done with this, I'm gonna edit photos that I shot over there and then get it all done up and dippity-doo, pick out the noodles for tomorrow's set. I think I'm probably gonna do 3 more Japanese ones. What a shock. I ended up taking like a month off, and yeah, I ended up just getting inundated with subscription boxes in that 1 month. I don't know why, but they just kept it coming. So I've got like 3 of these Zenpop boxes. That's 21 reviews worth. And it's fun. Hey, come here. Say hi to nice people.
Hi, nice people.
Hello, nice people. So did you have fun at the playground?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had fun. Yeah. Mwah. Well, maybe we'll go again tomorrow if we go early enough and it's not too hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to go in the sand? Yeah. Yeah, there is a beach. Yeah. They brought that sand in. It's not a sandy beach. That's a lake. They brought sand in to make it like a beach. I don't know how long that's going to last, but you go have fun. Thank you for joining us on the program. And now, yeah. You're just going to have to wait a minute or so. Actually, not a minute. Yeah, you don't want to get sand in your shoe. Yeah. It'll chafe. You don't want to chafe. Let me tell you, that's not comfortable. So here are our noodle or tantan men. 310 mils of water. Wow. It looks pretty jam-packed with noodly goodness. Let's give this a try. I'm going to forego the egg on this one and just go with like a nice slab of chashu. A little bit of spice. Slightly thicker broth, I think. Give this another stir. I have a feeling there's some stuff I'm missing out. Yeah, there you go. There's pork mince or something like that. Mm. So, it's not bad. But the way I like 10-10 Men is sloppy and thick. Like really thick. Like gravy. I like it like a little bit of gravy. I really do. There you go. 10-10 Men. And we're gonna add, let's do the chashu first. I hope you know what's coming next. That's right, the blowtorch. Look at that. Yeah, I need to figure out how to make thinner chashu, I think. Narrower. Woo! Alright. Snappy, snap, jeez. And we got some spring onion. I know. Don't have to tell me, I know. What is that? Oh, this must be tofu. No? Mmm. That's tasty. Spring onion. Very nice. Alright. Got kind of an RGB thing going here. If you don't know what RGB stands for, it's red, green, and blue. So, yes. No. Subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Have a good one, and bye-bye.